let's get down to business and defeat the Huns. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. We do this every Thursday and Sunday, so get comfortable because this is going to be an adventure, let me tell you. I got this quite a while ago. Story time. I got this a while ago. It is from Colourpop. I haven't been wanting to open it because I'm like, I don't need it. I don't have to have it. It's not a necessity, right? That's what I tell myself. And it's sat here on my desk and in the hallway and near the front door for like the last month or so. And it's just about time. We need to just open it, go for it, do the thing, right? So we're gonna do it together. This is a package from Colourpop. Where's my knife? Let's open this together. Okay. Cute box too, pink. Fragile, made in La. And as always, adorable box, fantastic packaging, packing slip. Oh, this is looking fabulous. Oh my God, can you see that? That's adorable. Colourpop, as always, but that is cute. Oh. I think, and this doesn't mean I'm obsessed or whatever or have a problem because I don't, but I think I have enough of these to create like an entire wall of nothing but Colourpop postcards because these are so cute. Those are adorable. Anyway, moving on. This is what I got. Just a little something. We got two lippies. What are you? Glossy, yeah. Both of them are glossy. And I also got my little buddy here. I'm gonna pull it back out. And that's everything I got in the box, so I'm just gonna eat the box. This is cute. I was not in the country when this collection launched, but I knew I had to have it because I did not get any of the Birds of Paradise collection. So I ended up getting a few things from the Costa Coral collection. I got some lippies, I got the palette, and then I ended up getting the blush. I forget, okay, it happens. But these are the cuties that I ended up getting. And we're just gonna play with them today because that's what we do. That's just what we do. We're gonna start, of course, with mi ojos because they're quite naked. I only have foundation and mascara on. So, ooh. Look at this though. You can't say that's not adorable. This is cute. I love that. Like, I'm super into pinks and corals and peaches. And I'm not a pink girl. I'm not pink at all. As you can tell by my attire and previous attire, I don't do pink. It's not me. But I love the way these look on me. Look at that. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Somebody. Look at that. I wonder what that is down here. It's like a little piece got missing somewhere, but look how beautiful. Oh my God. Yeah, I'm gonna play with these right now. And you get to watch, so lucky you. So I zoomed you in a bunch because we're doing this together. It's a team work. Here's my palette one more time, and we're just, and by we I mean me, I'm just gonna dig in because yes. Also, I'm gonna put on some tunes.
So am I gonna be in it?
Most likely not.
Okay.
It's that good. It's that good. Yes. Okay. I'm gonna just pause on this because do you see how good this came out? I tried to use as many colors as I could, and I don't think that was a bad idea because this came out great. Look at that. Look at that. Great. I really like this. Oh. And I honestly think it does remind me of the Birds of Paradise palettes that I wasn't able to get my hands on previously. So, thank you, Costa Coral. Oh. Next, I'm going to come in with the Shook to the Coral blush. Pressed blush. Not no Super Shock blush because I can't get the hang of it. Look at that. So cute. Oh, look at the packaging. Oh, it's adorable. Pretty. Oops. Plastic came off. Look how cute. It's so corally. I'm digging this. Like nobody else, just me. That's fine. Blush brush. Blush brush. Ooh, I'm gonna use this one. Urban Studio. This is really cute. I'm gonna come in with this real quick. Ooh, look. This is beautiful. Shook to the Coral is a beautiful, beautiful shade. Look at this. Where were you all summer? Yo, I needed this. I needed this. I'm just saying, like your garden variety collection, you could have kept for fall now. But this should have been for summer, spring. Look at this. Look at this. I'm just saying. Anyway, went on effortlessly. It went on effortlessly. It's so beautiful. I mean, it just, you have the pinks and the golds that come together and it creates this nice, like not so much orange, but that coral. And it's beautiful. It is. I can't stop staring at myself. Next, we have the lippies that I picked up. These are both ultra glossy lips. One is in the shade COZUMEL and MOLOKINI. I'm just gonna open them so we can see them and not say what they are because I butcher it anyway. I'm the worst. So this, oh wow, that is really cute. So it has the ultra glossy lip written on the one side, and then on this side, if I can flip them around correctly, it has Colourpop, but it's written a little bit differently. I don't know how well you can see that with the shine. It's actually really, really pretty. So, oh god, I don't know which one to do. I want to do the pink, but then like I don't want to go overboard with the pink, and I kind of want to go with the nude, but I don't want to not go with the pink. I'm gonna swatch them real quick. We're just gonna swatch them. Ooh. Real quick. Huh. I've never had the ultra glossy lip, so y'all are gonna have to help me on this. Is this supposed to be a stick? Cause like, look at this. Stick? Is it a stick? I thought it was a little baby brush. It kind of looks like a brush, but this thing is, ow, it's a stick. Okay, so maybe not that one because it's a stick, but let's go over here. Pink. Okay, we got a brush here. So yeah, that's what it's supposed to. Oh, it smells so nice. It's like subtle cotton candy. No. Subtle caramel corn. That's nice though. We're gonna have to go with the pink. I was really kind of leaning towards the nude just because I had the gold nude on the inner corner of my eye, and this would be beautiful, but I'm a little concerned why this brush tip is so stiff and hard. And is it supposed to come that way? Can anybody let me know, like in the comments, something? Message me, call me, text me. Don't call me, just text me. Lips have been lined, and now I'm going to be coming in with the COZUMEL. I need pronunciation classes. COZUMEL. Beautiful pinky color. It's the pink one. This went on relatively easy. I've never had the ultra glossy lip. I think I've only used the ultra blotted, but this is nice. The smell is really good. It's not overpowering. It's not too strong. It's not sticky like I really fear, and I super duper hate for glossy shiny things to be. This is like the opposite. It's soft. It feels so good on my lips, and that shine, can you see that? Nice. I wish I had a lip liner to match this a whole lot better. That was like the lightest one that I could find that I have right now. I may have to just invest in nuder lip liners. I'm gonna set my look down with the Pretty Fresh Prime and Set Mist. I think it's just setting mist. Hyaluronic acid. Oh, it's just a setting mist. You can prime with it too. Don't let them tell you you can't. Overall, just gonna throw this out there. This is amazing. Just in case you're wondering, you had any questions, any doubts, this is great. This is great. I love this. And I'm not, so there's like, I don't know if you know this, but coral has golds in it. I'm not a fan of gold. I do not think it goes well with my skin tone, like anything about me. I'm not a fan of gold. This palette, this is something different. I mean, oh, I love the way everything came out. The colors played well together. The formula is fantastic as always because it's Colourpop. No question, no doubt, no ifs, ands, or buts about that. It's always phenomenal. You got Colourpop, you're in good hands. I wish I had somewhere to go with this, you know? Like the store. Okay, I don't want to go to the store. I'm tired of going to the store. I want to go to a restaurant. I want to go out for coffee. I want to go to the movies. All of that. Without, you know, the risk. But that's cool. This is actually really nice. I'm gonna enjoy this for a while. Thanks for hanging out with me while I did this. Let me know what you guys think about the collection. If you got it, if you didn't, why. I totally wasn't going to. I really wasn't. And I know I shouldn't have. But now that I have it on, I'm so glad I do. Because this is beautiful. Anyway, thanks for hanging out. And I will catch you next time. Bye.